So a bit of a rookie mistake. I put these two top bolts in and then tightened them right up, and then realized that I was going to put the bottom ones in, but they didn't line up. So you've got to get them all in first, then tighten them all up. Like I said, rookie mistake. So I don't have an accurate measuring cup in the garage, everything's in the kitchen. So what I did is just grab this plastic cup, fill it up to water exactly the level that I want, which is 4.7 ounces or 133 milliliters. I'll make a mark on that with this Nico, and then just pour out the water, dry it out, pour the oil into this, and then once I'm done, I can pretty much throw the cup away and I don't have to worry about it. I should get a measuring cup, but I haven't got one, so that'll do for now. After putting the fork oil in, I realized after I'd finished screwing them up that there's just not quite enough resistance in the forks, so I need to add a little bit more. I just had a look online and found that this is a 1981 CX500C. There's differences between the models, which I just found out, so what I'm going to do is up it by about 85 to 90 cc and then put it in there and see how it goes. You can always add and take out a little bit depending on how hard or soft you want it, so I'm not too concerned. I just want to put a little bit more than I probably need, and if I need to take some out then I will, but 90 I think I'll go for, so let's do that and see how we go.